Hey guys, let me show you WPL software that is used to program the Delta PLCs. So where we can download and how we can use it. In this video, you are going to see how we are going to install means from where actually it is available in their Delta website. So let me connect the internet. So just we have to type over here WPL soft download. Okay, we are not going to get the direct link over here, but for sure, if we go to the delta www.com, that is download center, is provided by the service provider only. So let's click on this link and basically, if you are a newcomer, means you want to learn the PLC programming, this is the best application, best software also for learning. And as well as in the industrial automation, if you go for the PLC, this PLC cost is very less, and it has got a lots of features nowadays. They are improving PLC hardware also. So here in keywords we have to write down here WPL soft. Here we got this and submit this. Here we got directly download link over here. Now we'll download it. So it will take a time to download until I pause the video. Here one more important point I would like to share while downloading this. Here they are given some description. Okay, PLC type of PLC is a DVP series. We can use DVP SS2 and all, and TP or HMI are used like a TP70P series, and VFD are like E type, C200, C2000. These are the things we can use to program. So we can copy this and keep it somewhere while uh, preparing the program or while creating the program. It will be helpful for us to remember that which kind of a PLCs we can use and HMIs we can connect or we can program, and which kind of a VFDs we can have the access to program and all. Hey, now this is downloaded. Let's unzip this. Here you can see simple one exe file we are getting, that's of 82 MB, but the software is amazing. Okay, and I'm sure that if you go for this for learning purpose, or else if you want to implement in industrial automation, like Delta PLC is the amazing product which you can use, and it is user friendly as well as cost effective too. Let's install this. So simply you have to accept the agreement, and Okay, only one user or any all users, that's up to you. Just click on install. It is not asking any special requirements like any permissions are not needed for this. Simply you have to install this application to use. I'll pause the video, make it short. Oh my god, this is installed so quickly. It is installed. Okay, let's start with using this software. One amazing fact for this is it has got inbuilt simulator where you can simulate your program in this application only. No need of actual hardware or PLC. And one more thing, for in further videos I'm going to upload the programming, how to do the programming and all. You are going to have a great time in these videos and upcoming videos too. And if you have any kind of requirements, you just let me know. I will try to make that kind of video. You just reach to my playlist in my YouTube channel. The link description I'm going to give in next videos description. Just now I'm going to create a new program. So I will select DVPSS2. I will select DVPSS. I will select PLC latching program. Okay, communication and all, it is okay. So simple latching program I'm going to do here. This is what X0 is for, the input address, and Y0 will be our output address. And to create a latch, this plus indicates where no plus, just we have to use Y0's NO here, and directly we have to connect these two up. I'll undo it from here to draw the line down. And to stop button, I'm going to use one NC over there, and I will increase it to X1. So before this we have to convert this program. So this is the start button we can consider, and this one can be not can be, this will be the NC output. Just I will explain this simple program for those who don't know the PLC programming. When we close this normally open contact, the signal will flow through the coil, flow to the coil, and this Y0's auxiliary contact is connected parallel to the input X0. So directly it will start flowing the signal from here to here, even though if you release X0. So when we trigger this X1, that will stops the signal from left to right, and this coil will get de-energized and this will be unlatched. Okay, so we have to compile the program first here. That is the ladder instruction. Once if we do this, we have to turn on the simulation mode. So this is the online mode, and here edit mode. This is the run. So this is the simulator. We'll turn on the simulator and we'll go in online mode. Just we have to allow the access, because in future if you are dealing with any real-time hardware PLC connected to the system, then it will ask for the permission, so we have to allow this. So online mode will go, because this is in simulator is on. So just to trigger this, set on, set off. So now you can see here output is not turning on because actual inputs we cannot trigger over here, but it's not we have to use. Let's try with this thing. Okay, we have to run the PLC until it will not transfer the PLC, but in real time we cannot use uh, the M not and M no M you can use. Just a second. Okay, sure. Now I'll set on. Here you can see even after releasing this input, okay, this is turning on. Because I have gone through the lots of PLCs, sometimes I get confused for the different kind of PLCs. So there are lots of options similar to each other. So I'm going to explain each one step by step. If I get confused also, please forgive me. I will try to share my knowledge as much as possible so that you can get a clarity on the all the PLCs and how to program in different softwares and all. So now this is latched in the sense until and unless this coil is energized, so this open contact will get closed. This will be normally open and signal is passing from left to right and it is keep on. It will be keeping on. So now I will turn on this one because this is closed. It will get open. Okay. So first we have to select this and set on. Set off. Okay, now you can see here when this signal is interrupted, this coil get de-energized and it will returns to its own original position, that is open. So output will be turned off. This is simple ladder program. After installation I told, I means I tried to explain. Let's go with the further programs in future videos. So one kind request to all the viewers for me, that don't forget to share this video who is needed, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video.